Hello guys, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail for your videos. So first you should open your browser, either Google Chrome or this. Okay, I will use Google Chrome. This is my favorite browser. And the first thing, you should type canva.com. Okay, and here you go, canva.com. And here first you should actually create an account, as I have here. And then once you create your account, it's very easy. You can actually log in with your Google account, and then after that you can type YouTube thumbnail, as you can see here, YouTube thumbnail, for example. I search this one, and here you can choose from these templates, or you can create your own thumbnail. So I'm not actually gonna creating a blank thumbnail. I will choose, for example, let me I will choose this one, for example. Once you clicked on that, and it will come here. Here on the left side we have different categories, like live stream thumbnail, travel YouTube thumbnail, and you can choose according to your content. And so here on the left side we have different options. Here you can add many elements like lines, shapes, different things you can add on your thumbnail. And here you can actually upload your photos. For example, you can click here and you can choose your photos, and I'm gonna, for example, I'm gonna upload these photos. And once you upload it, you can choose and you can use it, these photos, like this, and you can delete this one. Yeah. And now if you have another photos, you can add text, for example your own text, like here, and for example and yeah, you can, for example, you can move your text wherever you want, for example here, and you can choose the color of the text. You can change the size, and you can actually choose your font, for example Time New Romance. Yeah, that's Canva is actually very easy to use and very user friendly. So yeah, there you go. Once you finished with your thumbnail, you can download it. Here, click on download and download. It will be downloaded in 10 seconds. See? And now you can use it on your for your videos on YouTube. Yeah. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, and we will see each other in the next video.